Welcome back. So now that you've completed step 1, your cube is going to look something like this. So you've got your yellow center and you've got your 4 white edges around the yellow center. Step 2 is called the white cross. So your cube at the end of it is going to look like this. Now notice the edges match the colors in the center. So this white edge matches this white center and this blue matches this blue here. Just like this red center matches this edge and this white matches the white center. And as we go along, they all should be matching. So why is that? That's because if you remember, we mentioned that the pieces are molded around the cube and around the center. So these pieces here, if I take them off, they have to go in to the correct positions because we're going to make sure that we mold these around. Okay, so how do we get to that point? Once you've got your daisy, you're going to have a look at one edge and then you're going to look at the color on the side. So here we've got red. Now we're going to rotate it until the edge matches the center. As soon as the edge matches the center, we're going to turn this twice. The reason why we turn it twice is because now this piece is around the white center and this piece is linked with the red center. Okay, and again let's choose another one. So here, white edge, orange center, turn, matches, and then we turn this twice. The reason why we turn it twice is because the opposite of yellow is white, so that's why we're turning it twice. Next, this is already matching. Yep, 1, 2, 3 pieces done. And next, last piece, blue, matching the blue, turn it twice, and we finish with the white cross. So this step, it's not as difficult as step 1. Have a go. Make sure you can do it quite comfortably before we move on to step 3. Okay, thank you for watching and good luck.